Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to copy the files from my iPhone to Windows PC, and it shows error moving file or folder. The device is unreachable. So how to fix this issue? And this problem is every time occurs while I try to copy the files from my iPhone to Windows PC. So if you get this error, first of all check some settings if it is enabled or not. So just open your settings menu and then locate photos and click to open it. So here you can scroll down. So now you can select this option automatic. So after I select this option, so now I try to connect my iPhone to Windows PC. And then click to allow. Because I check it if the stick works or not. So now I try to copy this file. But unfortunately it again shows that same error message. So how to overcome this issue? So don't unplug this data cable, but I try to restart my iPhone. So after the restarting is completed, just click to allow this media transfer access permission. So now I try to access my Windows PC, and finally my PC detect this iPhone storage. So I try to copy that same file to my Windows PC. But friends, now this time you can see that same file is successfully copying and it does not show any other error notifications. So anyway, if again and again it shows that same error message, don't unplug this data cable and simply restart your device. So after the restarting is completed, it will automatically connected with your Windows PC and also transfer the data from your iPhone to Windows PC. And this is one and only way to fix this issue. So friends, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechArts. And thanks for watching.